gosh, it's so hot outside.
Arey, what happened? Why are you looking so listless? You seem rather tired. Chalo, I will make you something really nice and a nice Sattu Paratha and you will be good to go. This is Sattu flour which is made out of roasted gram flour. It is extremely nutritious for health. So here we add in 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Nigella Seeds, that is kalonji, 1 teaspoon of jeera, sukha dhania powder 1 teaspoon, little Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon ajwain which we just put it between our palms, rub it nicely, 1 teaspoon green chillies, 1 teaspoon of lasan, 1 teaspoon of ginger, coriander leaves, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon achar masala, a tablespoon of sarso oil. Using my hands to mix this nicely. In this you can add half a lemon or you can even add amchur powder. So you can see the stuffing of the sattu. It's very granular. And now I'll just add a little dash of water. So basically if you want it in the granular form, you can use it that way, whatever suits you. We are done with the stuffing of the sattu. This is the main ingredient of the Sattu Paratha. So I'm making this paratha for you, but do you know what it entails? What is the nutritious value of this? So like you keep complaining that, my energy is drained, I'm tired, I'm fatigued. If you start having this paratha daily, believe me, you will be sorted because you will have sustainable energy throughout the day. I just roll it out a little like this. Here I take the sattu filling, I make it into a ball and I just put it into this. Fold it. If you have excess flour, you can remove it. It's well sealed from all the sides so that the stuffing doesn't come out and spreads equally. I dab it in, press it nicely, take your rolling pin and gently roll it out. Size of the paratha, whatever you want, whether small ones or big ones. Take a little bit of ghee and just brush the pan with it and we put the paratha. Similarly, we'll continue making the other paratha. Sattu is full of protein and it keeps you satiated very well. We add our ghee generously. Just poke the paratha nicely. Flip it. You can see how nicely it has been roasted. Now again it depends over here. Do you want a very crispy paratha? Then you cook like this on slow. But if you want a softer version, then you can cook on a fast flame. Our paratha is ready. Now we will just put it in the plate. This is the other paratha which we had rolled out.
Hold the ghee. I am on a diet, Nani.
Just enjoy the paratha. Don't look at the ghee. Sometimes sinful eating is also allowed. Just hang on. The crispy sattu parathas are ready. I'll make you a quick, nice, tangy, achari onion kind of salad. So now I add the salt, but we'll go a little low on salt because there's another very nice important ingredient which I'm going to add, so that has more than enough salt. We take about 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half lime. We add coriander and the special ingredient which is a homemade mango pickle. So we add a teaspoon of that. I will just mix this with my hands. For that matter, not only mango pickle, you can add any pickle ka masala, it's equally good. This is our achari onion which is looking very nice and ever fresh and tastes equally good. So here is the Sattu Paratha which I've made in a real jiffy. So now you please eat it and rest well because that is what you need, okay?
Thank you, Nani.